If you're watching this video, there's a good chance your home was on the market and it didn't sell. First of all, let me say, I get it. We work with sellers just like you. It's frustrating, it's disappointing, and honestly, it feels like you were left behind and hanging. But listen, this is not the end of the road. It's just the beginning of a new game plan. A better one that gets you results. Let's talk about it. You listed your home with the hopes maybe to relocate, maybe to downsize, maybe to move closer to your family, and instead, you got crickets. Weeks passed, maybe a few showings, no offers, no movement, and worst of all, no answers. Here's the truth most realtors won't tell you. Overpricing kills deals. Look, I don't sugarcoat it. If the price isn't right, buyers won't even walk through the front door. They're comparing your home to others in the area. And if yours is overpriced by even 5%, it gets skipped, period. Bad marketing equals no buyers. Let's be real. If the photos look like they were taken with a flip phone, if the listing had zero online traction, if your home wasn't even pushed aggressively on social, videos, emails, then the marketing failed you. And communication. Most sellers tell me the same thing. My agent went ghost. No updates, no strategy changes, no accountability. That's not how I work. I believe you deserve everything. Good, bad, or in between. Because this is your home, your equity, your future. After months of marketing, the listing goes stale. Buyers start wondering, what's wrong with it? There's nothing wrong with your home. What's wrong is the plan behind it. Lastly, the targeting was off. If the right people weren't seeing your home, your actual buyer demographic, then it was never really going to sell. Simple as that. Now here's where it turns around, because I just don't list a home, I launch them. When I take on a client, we become a team. Our one shared goal, to get your home sold. We start by getting the price dialed in. Not too high, not too low, but positioned just right to spark offers and create momentum. Next, marketing like you've never seen. Professional photography, walkthrough videos, social media campaigns targeting the exact buyers who are looking for your type of home. Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, email blasts, open houses, you name it, I cover it all. And most important, I stay in constant communication with you. Weekly updates, honest feedback, real strategy. You're never left in the dark. We remove the guesswork. We rebuild confidence. We take your home from expired to in demand. If you're sitting there thinking, maybe it's just not the right time, let me ask you this. What if it's not about timing? What if it's about the right plan, the right strategy, and the right realtor? Your home didn't sell because of the process, not because of the property. You deserve better. You deserve someone who's going to give it to you straight, who has your back, and who's going to hustle like it's their own house on the line. Call me, text me, DM me, whatever works for you. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a conversation. Let's talk about where things went wrong, what you want, and how we can get you there together. I believe in second chances, but more than that, I believe in doing it right. You've been through enough. Let's get your home back on the market the right way, with the right energy and the right results. I'm Sal Carolla, broker at RE/MAX Elite. I don't just list homes, I sell them. Let's go.